Mga yan talaga yung with the local, sikat na ka. Girls follow you wherever you go. Ayan, no?
And we're here at Angeles City
Heritage
District.
Wow. Choming Kenny. Ating katamo nga be po they're part of this pageantry, a very prestigious pageant that happens every year.
Also known as Mutya Ning Angeles.
Wow.
2018.
Wow.
So, kaya betalaret ang mga lagong dalaga na ni Mutya Ning Angeles 2018. Kening Gaundang
Mag-heritage tour la. Mag-tour la. It's a cultural tour. In Mutya Ning Angeles kasi ay kabud Singga Laguna. You have to have brains as well. And syempre dapat malapit ka kayang heart and soul na ning city.
Apong dapat balume.
Wow.
Nung nanuya yung syudad mo.
Wow.
No kanya may iniba.
Huling ikang maging ambassadress eh.
Wow. Ika mag-represent.
Wow.
So, this is bala mo a tour na familiarize ka rin nung nanula rin old buildings sa reni, nanula rin site na reni, nanu itang importance da king history, king culture da rin taga-Angeles.
Wow. And we'll take you along the ride baka tabalo yun lang.
Yes. And ito.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to our fans.
Hi girl, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Angela Marie Robson, Mutya Ning Angeles 2017.
What are you doing here?
I just wanted to see the girls out, how they're doing during the Heritage Tour, and I'm currently on my way to the rehearsal for Mutya Ning Kapampangan.
Mutya Ning Kapampangan. That's what you do after you win Mutya Ning Angeles. So, you go to Mutya Ning Kapampangan para i-represent mo yung balen mo.
Gining heritage tour tamo, ring mag tamo. Siyempre, repya kasi kata mag-vlog kini kay Angeles ini. Daw kita lokal. Bruno, Vigo, Kevin, Montalvo, yan.
Salangyan tayo ing Angeles. Root word sala, yung buli ng Sabian light. Sabian da ring matua, salangyan nyo rin sulupot ang to turn on the light.
Historian. Kevin Montalvo, historian. Add na na yung Facebook profile na kanyang historian. Sir, nano pong gawin na ni ring kaya katamo Mutya?
Ring gawin ta kini
Nano po ring extreme activities na pwedeng gawin gini?
magkay ka ta, lukso ka ta malibat king gubong mo.
Kay mag-repel from Getang Tower eh. Okay, simple.
Rock climbing.
Rock climbing.
Kaya gusto mo kini?
Ano ko?
Turong.
Turong saging na, hali ah.
JT. Mabalac City College.
Wala kasi di ka shoutout. Like, subscribe. Idala ka. Inside stories ng Kapampangan. Nanirepang kwentong nabalo rin luwan makasulat kay history. So timbala mo kaya ka-tower ining Pamintuan Mansion. So mika access kami kay rin ulit kang Sir Aaron. So dala na kami ka rin ito namin. Uy! Sobra na ka man. Yung challenge Kenny, ita mo munang makalipad, ita mo munang luila ring top 3.
Iba't
Game.
ikadwa, jump shot.
Jump shot Kenny.
Nano kami pa naliwana ning buklat king busni.
Yung word na buklat ng pambusni para walang Kapampangan, pero ilan difference. So dapat rin record kita eh. Mo pala pwedeng sabihang makabuklat ka siper. It's more of
Makabusni kasi per. Kasi bubusni may bubuklat.
apin iniing kusina na ni Pamintuan Mansion. So nung akakitye, apin na yung buong balay ni Ngeni. Nag-size na. Matagol niya pa kay karing housing ini. So kusina ya ini. Okay? Laming ceiling na. Pwede ko na studio ini.
Nano kaya nga duwa nga rin yung batirol?
Ringgam, it's cooking right. Round what?
Ala, kaya rin.
Metric question kayo eh.
Ini ingaus kaya ni Molinillo. Ing kadwa ni Chocolatera. Ing chocolate yaus ka rin tableya. Ing proseso yapening batirol.
That's it! So yari na kami mag-tour kay Angeles. Mapali pero naging karakalaba. Lune girls? Lala girls. So nakasalamat kang Tang Lucio, kang Aaron for king
Kening
Philippine.
Heritage Tour, kening Museum of Philippine Social History, kening Pisamban Maragul, at kung kening Museo ng Angeles.
Founder's House and everything.
Yeah, so karang gara viewers me, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/WeTheLocal. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at WeTheLocal. And of course, kay YouTube, youtube.com/WeTheLocal.
So this is We The Local. Nakasalamat girls. Girls!
We the local!
Paluyo kami sa mga pinalo. Nalagay yun. Tandaanan ba kayo? Gawin mo. Gawin mo nung pinalo yun. Palayo ka lang.